guys, it's me, Jessica DeLeon, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you if you are a returning subscriber. Today is an exciting video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max 256GB in silver. This is my first iPhone ever, so I am a first-time iPhone owner. I have never owned an iPhone before, so I'm really excited. As of like the last 7 to 8 years, I've owned only Samsung phones. Honestly, I had a little FOMO. All my family members own iPhones, and I'm always seeing people do things with iPhones that my phone can't do, and I just really wanted to try an iPhone. It was just a lot of curiosity, a lot of FOMO. I've always loved the way an iPhone looks. And also, I'm going to be unboxing some accessories that I also purchased to go with the phone, so I'll be showing you guys that as well. So if you're interested to see me unbox this iPhone 12 Pro Max 256GB in silver, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get into this unboxing already, all right? Because I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. I've got my phone box in here and my accessories in here, so I'm just going to be pulling from this bag. First things first is the phone box. This is just a UPS phone shipping box that it came in. I did have to get my phone shipped to me, and they just dropped it off this afternoon. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. I've got my nifty little scissors. All right, let's go ahead and slice and dice. Oh my gosh. Woo! Success. Okay, as you can see, there is some foam in there. I've never had an iPhone before. This is crazy. Okay, so I'm just taking that out. There's more foam in there. They protected the phone well. I was actually worried about that because I kind of dropped the box when I was coming up to the room to put it up. I was like, oh crap, I'm gonna break the phone before I get it open. But no, they thought about it. They were like, yeah, this box is probably gonna get tossed around, so let's put some foam in there, which they did, thank God. So that was the second piece. They only had 2 pieces in there. Okay, so there is a little thing here with an arrow on it, a green arrow, and yeah, we're just gonna pull that off. So here we go. Ooh, and that just unlocks the cellophane around it. Bye-bye. And wow, I love this. This is so like premium looking. The box, it's matte. It's a little bit raised like right around the edge of the picture of the phone, which is really cool. But let's get to taking a look at this phone already, right? Oh my God. Oh wow. Ooh, it's nice. There is the phone. How pretty is that? Ooh, I love it. It's like 3 huge camera lenses. Oh my God, it's so much bigger than the cameras on the phone that I have now. Like 3 times the size. Like literally, each one is like 3 times the size. Okay, so this is the silver. Now, I will say that this looks, it's very matte. So this is not like a shiny material or whatever. Ooh, wow, it's heavy. Got some weight to it, guys. Got some weight to it. Look at that shiny chrome around the edges. As you can see, I've already put my fingerprints on it. Ugh. That was to be expected because I have to touch the phone, but you can just clean that off. It's just this shiny silver. So that is what I'm guessing the color is, because this is white. This is not silver. So it must be this side part. So it has this piece of film on the front of the screen, and it's just got the labels for the alarm on and off, the up and down volume rockers, has this little thing for your SIM card on the side, and the on and off button, and it labels it and tells you which one is which and what it does. And then that's cute because it has a little lightning bolt to tell you that there is the charging port underneath. There is the microphone right there on either side of the charging port. So we've seen the back of the phone. Amazing. So yeah, let's just take this off. Ooh, and look at that, guys. It is so shiny and clean and scratch free. Apple did a really good job on the design of this phone. For my first iPhone, I'm glad I can say that I held out to at least experience to get the iPhone 12 Pro Max. What else is in the box? So here is the rest of the box, and this is designed by Apple California. So it just has a Apple sticker, has a little tool where you put it in the phone and you can release the slot for the SIM card. Just some more things about before using iPhone, review the iPhone user guide and blah blah blah, which I actually may have to do because I don't know anything. And then you've got your lightning cable, which does not come with your wall charger adapter. You're gonna have to get that separate. This end, I know it's a USB-C charger, and then this one is the typical Apple charging on this side. And that's really all that's in the box. There's no headphones. I don't include headphones anymore, guys. And there's also no more adapters. So now we're going to go ahead and put on the accessories. So the first thing that I have for an accessory is a tempered glass screen protector. Now this I bought at T-Mobile when I ordered the phone. So I bought this in the store. This is just the particular kind that they had available there. They are kind of expensive in the store. This was like 40 bucks, but they're good because if you break them, they will replace them. So as many times as you break them, they will replace them. I don't know if there is a limit to that, like within a 2-year period or whatever, or 1-year period, but I just know that they will replace the screen protector if you break it. That's good. So it kind of pays for itself. I'm sure that this probably will crack at some point. So it's the iPhone 2020 6.7 inch for obviously the 12 Pro Max. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this baby up and put it on my phone because I want to go ahead and get the screen protected. So it just comes with a little wipey, and it just comes like this. So this has some complicated instructions, so I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and put this on really fast and then come back once I've got it put on. So I just got done putting on the screen protector with this thing, and I put it on so crooked. I'm kind of embarrassed to show you guys. I almost don't want to. Don't judge me. Look how crooked it is, and it's like just slightly on the metal. Okay, so there's the screen protector, and I still have a few air bubbles in there, but those will work their way out with time. So screen protector on for now. Let's move on to the other accessories. This is the case that I picked up from T-Mobile. This is the Casemate in Twinkle Stardust, and it says it's 10-foot drop protection, built-in microbial, antimicrobial protection. It also says it's one-piece seamless design, shock-absorbing materials, and tactile buttons. Now, I will tell you, this is the same type of case that I had on my Samsung, and these are really, really good cases. Aside from being extremely cute, they're very, very good at protecting your phone. So these are no joke. These are a little expensive as well. It was only like 40 bucks, which is not too bad. Yeah, it's $40. So I'd say definitely worth the 40. I've used these several years in a row with the different phones that I've had throughout the years. So let's take it out. Whoops. At least it wasn't a phone, right? Okay, so here's a closer look at the case, guys. Yeah. It's very hard. But it's also not like plastic hard. It's still has some give to it. The back, not so much, but the sides do a little bit more. So super cute. Okay, so we're gonna take the phone and we're just gonna put it in. We'll see how easy or not easy it is to get it in there. Okay, so it's a little bit of a tight squeeze, but got the phone in there. And there we go, guys. There is the phone inside of its beautiful case. There's actually a plastic piece on the back of this that comes off as well. So all has been revealed. So cute, so pretty. Goes amazing with the phone. I'm loving it. Last but not least, for the accessories is Pop Socket. Also got this from T-Mobile in store. Had one other same iridescent but a different pattern on it, and I thought this was more me, so this is the one I got. This one was $14.99. So it says to cut it at the bottom with some scissors, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna cut it open really quick and get this sucker out of here. Rip around it. Somehow get that part off. Oh, duh. Stretch it out and then rip through it. So there's the Pop Socket, guys. I'm going to try and place it on the phone where I'd like it, which is always a challenge to try and get it placed perfectly where you think you'd want it, and then getting it on there just right. So I'm gonna go and do that off camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys the entire thing all put together. Here is the final look of the phone with the case and the Pop Socket and everything. Okay guys, so here's some quick specs about the phone. It has a 6.7-inch display, 12 megapixel camera front and back. It's IP68 water, splash, and dust resistant. It has Face ID. It comes in 4 colors: silver, graphite, gold, and Pacific blue. And it comes in 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes. And it has a 3687 milliamp battery. And it weighs 8.40 ounces. I think I'm just going to really enjoy having this phone as a new addition. So the next thing for me to get is the Apple 4 Series 44 millimeter watch, which I will be getting very soon to pair with the phone, probably next month in February. So look out for that unboxing of the watch and some accessories to go with that as well, because of course I have to customize it to my liking. That's just who I am. That's pretty much it for the phone. Now I probably will get some little things to put on the cameras to or around the cameras to protect them from getting scratched. It's coming with a bunch of different languages or something. Hello. Now you're speaking my language. I'm gonna go and play around with my phone for a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and it wasn't too all over the place. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for post notifications so you can see me again in the future. Love you so much. Can't wait to see you in my next video coming very, very soon. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.